Hey guys, Saki here from SAKITECH, and as you can see I have a Google Pixel stand right here. I also have the Google Pixel 3 XL and the Google Pixel 3 sitting next to it. So after I unbox this and take a look at what's inside, I'm going to put the phones on top of the actual stand, and we are going to observe some of the special features that you can find on the Google Pixel stand when you use it with a Google Pixel smartphone. Okay, so this stand gives you special functionality when you use it with the Pixel phones. If you were to put another phone on top of the stand, it's still going to charge those phones wirelessly, but it's not going to give you the additional software functionalities, and we are going to look at those things in this video. So let's go ahead and unbox the Google Pixel stand. It's a very easy unboxing. There's not a lot going on in here. So let's lift up the box, and boom, we've got the stand sitting right there. It's wrapped up real nice. So let's pick up the stand, put it over here, and let's see what's inside. If I lift this up, what you are going to get inside is a user guide and a manual, and of course basically just a charger and a cable. So this cable is USB Type-C on both sides, and of course it connects to the power brick over here, also using USB Type-C. And then afterwards you'll connect the other end of the cable at the bottom of the Pixel stand. I do like this orange color at the bottom. It is rubberized, so it's got a nice grip. It doesn't move around when you put this on a table. Okay, so let's wire this thing up and put the Pixels on top of it to see what we are going to get. All right, so the wireless stand has been wired up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a Pixel. I'm going to grab the Pixel 3 XL and I'm going to put it on top of it, and I want you guys to see exactly what happens on the screen when I do that. All right, so here's a Google Pixel 3 XL. I'm going to dump it right on top of it. And as soon as I do that, a menu is going to pop up and it's going to ask me to set up the actual Pixel stand. Now, as you can see, it is saying do more while charging. So it says set up your Pixel stand for easy access to your Google Assistant. You can also wake up gently to light-based alarms and get full screen experiences for music, photos, and more. So you can either say no thanks or you can tap on next. Now, before I actually start the process, I'm going to show you one more thing. So if I grab this phone and put it aside, and if I grab any other phone like a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and if I put it on here, it is going to charge the phone, but it's not going to give me any other options as the ones I got on the actual Pixel 3. And of course, even if I were to grab an iPhone, let me just grab one iPhone over here, dump it right here, it's going to charge the iPhone. Okay, the iPhone is charging on the top here, but it's not going to do anything else, obviously. And of course, if you have the smaller version of the actual Google Pixel, the Pixel 3 XL, let me grab that real quick. And if you put it over here, it's going to do the same exact thing. It's going to ask me to set up the thing. So let me use a Google Pixel 3 XL for this process, all right? So let me put it right back on here. And there's the menu. So let's tap on next and see what happens. So tap on next, and it's saying get personal results on your lock screen, okay? So let's say I agree, and also allow personal results when using your Pixel stand. Also, I agree. And then see your photos on the ambient display. So a slideshow of Google Photos albums of your choice are shown when this phone is locked on your Pixel stand. So you can tap on continue also. And then here's some highlights over here. It just did some auto selection of my photos. That's me. There's a motorbike and there's a room that I was fixing. I can basically select one of these albums to create the highlight. So let me just select this one over here and just click done. Okay, and then it also says turn on do not disturb while on the stand. So basically when I put this on the stand and it's charging, it automatically turns on the do not disturb, so I don't get any useless notifications to waste my time if that's how you like to roll. Okay, so let's turn on that real quick. And then also wake up with your sunrise alarm. So in the morning, what happens is right before your morning alarm goes off, you can actually set the screen to brighten with warm colors, as you can see over here. Okay, so it's gonna change colors like this, and if the alarm is at 7 o'clock, it's gonna ring the alarm. So it's gonna give you a nice customized alarm experience. Okay, so turn that on as well. That's one more option. And now it says your Pixel stand is set up. Try saying, okay, Google, set an alarm for 7 a.m. All right, so as you can see, it says ready to go. Your Pixel stand is set up. Try saying that thing. So let me do that right now. So, okay, Google, set an alarm for 7 a.m. All right, so that's fantastic. All right, let's click done on this guy. Okay, so that's the ambient display. You got the clock, you got the date, you got the degree, and of course you can tap on my day. You can also tap on this. If I tap on this one, it brings up the Google Assistant that I can use right away. And of course, over here, if the phone turns off again, that screen comes back. So there it is. I can tap on this button here. That brings up the Google Assistant. I can ask questions directly to Google Assistant by tapping this. It's a different look. All right, so how can I help? Blah, blah, blah. And then I can also tap on the My Day icon here, and that's gonna...
You found the new good morning routine. Let's try it together. First, let's see what your day looks like. Right now in Alden, it's 50 and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be mostly sunny, with a forecasted high of 51 and a low of 37. Next, I'll play the news. And just so you know, you can customize this routine. I can also turn on lights, start coffee, play music, play a podcast, and more.
All right, so it gave me a breakdown of my daily routine. And of course, that can be customized as it told me. So the Google Pixel Stand really integrates well with your Pixel smartphone. If you are going to be buying a wireless charger for your smartphone, if you do own a Pixel 3, this is the stand to get these customized options. But those are all the features that actually you get with the Pixel Stand. We set the whole thing up from the beginning and we saw step by step what it is capable of. Again, you do have to turn off the device to get access to that screen. You got the, hey, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
So you got that. You got the My Day routine. And you can do all that every day, get the weather, get some news, and also customize the routine that plays out when you tap on My Day. All right, so that's basically the end of this tutorial, of this overview of the Pixel Stand, okay? By the way, it's saying charging rapidly, 14 minutes left, so it's 90% charged, but it's still charging rapidly at the bottom here, and it's saying 14 minutes until fully charged, which is not a bad metric. All right. Also at the top here, you have the settings icon that you can forget the Pixel Stand. You can screen off when dark. You can use Do Not Disturb while docked. You can set up a photo frame, and you can also set up the sunrise alarm. So if you want to modify any one of those settings that we set up in the initial setup process, you can come back here and make those modifications right from the actual lock screen. Okay. Absolutely fantastic. All right, so if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, just drop them down below. And of course, subscribe to SAKITECH for more videos to come. For now, have a fantastic day.